Homogeneous materials. Pure substances. It is a homogeneous material which contains particles, atoms or molecules of only one kind and has a definite set of properties. For example, iron, silver, oxygen, sodium chloride, sulfur dioxide, etc. Pure substances are further of two types: elements and compounds. Elements. It is a pure substance which cannot be broken down into still simpler substances by any known physical or chemical method. An element consists of only one kind of atoms. Elements can further be classified into metals, non-metals, metalloids, and inert gases. Compounds.
A compound is a pure substance which is made up of two or more elements combined chemically in a fixed ratio by weight, and it can be broken down into elements by chemical methods only.